how to pair or connect the Android phone to your Toyota CHR 2023. So first, on your car, you want to tap on the menu button up here. So go to your entertainment unit and tap on menu, then tap on settings. Next, tap on Bluetooth, and then in here you can register new device, and then tap on add. Now say here, all other devices must be disconnected before a new device can be paired. So tap on yes to continue. Alright, on my Android device here, I want to make sure my Bluetooth is switched on. So on the Android device, we go into settings, then tap on connections, and then tap on Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is switched on. When it is turned on, you can see it shows on my in the entertainment units right here on the screen. So you want to tap on that, and then we go back to the device. So on here it asks, do you have the same code? That's the pin matchup. If it does match up, tap on pair, and now it is connecting. And then tap on allow here to allow it to access contacts, and then tap on allow to allow it to access messages. And now it is connected. You can see here it shows David S24 Ultra, and that's it. Once it is connected, you can tap on audio to listen to music. So here I've got now playing, connected, sound, and source. You can also tap on menu, and then tap on audio. We can go into audio. So it's already connected. It knows it's connected. So if I go back to menu, I can now listen to my music.